While extreme anger and rage can be very destructive, mild anger has the capacity to produce actions that result in positive outcomes. For example, if someone is harming you or someone you love, it is quite reasonable to get angry. What's more, you shouldn't short-circuit that process. If you are angry and it spurs you to positive, meaningful action, go with it. The problem with anger, however, is that it has an unfortunate tendency to get misdirected. Imagine that you have had a bad morning and experienced a highly unpleasant interaction with a colleague. Although you felt angry, it wasn't appropriate to express it at the time. Therefore, the anger gets repressed. Then imagine when you get home later that day. You find that the dog has chewed up one of your socks. Your reaction at this point may be much greater than is proportionally appropriate, certainly. Much more than the poor dog deserves. When humans get angry, we feel as if we direct our anger at a particular something. However, the anger doesn't seem to remember that particular something very well. If another situation or individual taps into our established reservoir of anger, it can all come rushing out at the same time.